Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we learned about VBA editor, menu bar, toolbar, project explorer, properties window, and object explorer. If you haven't seen my last video and you don't know how to use all these, you can go back to my channel and learn about it. Today we will learn one of the easiest things in VBA, that is how to record a macro. Recording a macro will create a VBA code based on your action. How you can record is very simple. You can click on developer and then click on record macro icon. You can give your name, macro name here, short key. I'm assigning control plus T. You can also write a description about the code, like what it is going to do. This is optional. Also, assigning short key is optional. So I'll do a simple step. I'll just select this, copy, and paste them in the next cell. Now I'll stop recording and go back to VBA editor. As you can see, I have got my macro here. Macro name is here. Keyboard shortcut is mentioned here. And what actions I performed, I selected C3 and then selected till whatever values are available, copied them and pasted them in the next D3. So I'll just do a control T to see if it is working or not. So I'll just delete this and I'm now pressing control T. So as you can see, it is now copy pasting the values to the next column as what I have recorded. Similarly, you can record your macros as per your requirements. So that's it for this video. We'll learn more about VBA in our upcoming videos. So please subscribe to my channel to get latest updates. Thank you very much.